Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. You know, the market is still in a corrective phase here at the moment. I mean, clearly a consolidation phase. We are in a range. You can see the upper range boundary where the last highs were located at $2,736. And then we have some previous swing lows that can act as support, specifically here, $2,319, and then below that, $2,272, and we're just moving in between. So I would not pay too much, I would not put too much weight, let's say it right like that. I would not put too much weight on any micro price action in the range. Also today, the US stock market is closed, so I don't know if we get really a lot of movement, probably then tomorrow or towards the candle close, but throughout the day we might not see too much price action, to be fair. So far, the market has not done anything unexpected. We've rallied into the resistance area I communicated in the last update. Resistance is between 2,565 and $2,674. This is our standard, this is our standard resistance area. And any strong rejection from it could set the stage for a third wave to the downside. So the focus is on whether the bulls can drive the price above resistance. That would be a first step that, the market plans to go a little higher in the short term, So obviously we need a break above resistance, but then also a break above the last swing, the last swing highs. We need to break above the range boundary, essentially. And then, this could take us higher in like one more high in wave 5 of A, in one more upside extension, possibly 2,911, or maybe even the next extension above that's located at $3,093. But for now, I'm not convinced we're going to do that because I think I mentioned it already in one of the videos last week. 3 waves up only, and a 5-wave decline. It's not a great combination. So we've now seen another pretty choppy looking move up into micro resistance. And if we get a break above the last swing low, below the last swing low, here at $2,458, the swing low from Sunday, then this, as I said, could be an indication that the third wave down has started, or at least we're consolidating further in the range, because then the next focus will be on the previous swing low, whether the market can break through it. Overall, this larger pullback in wave B remains on the table. And the main question is whether this wave A extends or whether the A wave has already formed the top. If we zoom out, then you can see that micro price action in the range isn't really meaningful. Let's be honest, if we see this, that is not confirmation we're breaking down. We really need a break below this zone here. So from that point of view, I don't think too much is going to happen today. We might see some directionless and seemingly chaotic movement in the range, but really that is just noise, as I often say. It's important to understand what actually constitutes meaningful movement, and any of these smallest movements in the range, not really. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.